and here we will put down the username, here we will put down the password, and when I will submit this, all this data will be rendered to this. You can see this HTML input type form. But if I will not put anything here, like if I will leave this blank, and then go back and then put my username, password, anything, and submit it, it will not go anywhere. It will just reload the page. Yeah. So this is it all about forms. You can put more parameters here. If you want to know like how this data is going, then you have to learn some backend that I will teach probably after some months. I think like after 1 month, then we will be probably finishing JavaScript. And here are forms, and I will now teach you about what are tags like section, div, and span, etc., etc. So let me teach you. So here we'll put h1, like this is form. So we can see that this is form, this is your type, and this is something else. So if I want to like specify like this part is for this purpose, this part is for this purpose, like for this for our own benefit, if we want to divide the content, then we use the div tag. So I will put down div tag here, copy, cut this, and now this comes between our div tag. So oh yeah, so if you will select this, it will automatically say that well where like what's the end to this div tag, and now it's now here is the end. You can see that it is auto selecting the end or the closing tag. It will do nothing. Like if I will copy it, if they reload it, there you can see there is no change. But this is in the div tag. And now let me specify more. Like what's your type? Let me put down this into the div tag. Yeah, you can also see that there is some space. So this why this happens? This happens because div tag also acts like a BR tag. It's for the whole line. Now, if I will put down a div tag here, like if I remove the BR tag here, and I remove the BR tag from here even, and save this file, and like let's see what happens. You can see like this. It's it's inline. No break, no anything. It is in one line, and if we put a div tag here, like if I put div here and copy it like after it, and now save it and now see it, yeah, you can see that this shifts. So why this is happening? Because now whole line is for this radio Ferrari. Now whole line is occupied by this button. Like if we put a div tag here, the whole line is occupied by this. Let me show you how this is happening. You can see the whole line is for this, and if we go to our normal tags, it only owns that proportion. You can see the blue proportion. If I go to this line, yeah, let me select the div tag here. It has the home line. Let me select the input, and let me select this input. You can see that it only occupies the space that is required. It doesn't occupy more space, but div tag here occupies the whole space. So after this div tag, there are more proportions. Let me remove it. Let me go to the Control plus R, Control plus Z, undo it. Now from here we can see that this is a this div tag that divides this section, and if you want more inner sections, like we want more than the like section, it is our own good. It is only for our own good. If you want to more, if you want our data to be more specified, like this is the section tag. Now we'll save it and run it. Yeah. Now we can see this in our data, like in div tag, this section come. There are more things like article. What is article? So if I write h1, h2, this is our ARTICLE, and now do the paragraph. So it comes in a div tag because it is different, and I do lorem 100. Now save it, now run it. Now you can see this. It's in a div tag, this is our article, and this is blah blah blah. But if you want to specify that what is our article for just our own benefit, I will tell you what is the benefit in CSS. So we'll just like article and put the closing tag after the paragraph tag like this and save it. It does nothing, but it is more specified that our data or our paragraph is inside our article tag. You can see here in our article tag we have the paragraph. So this is it, guys. Thank you. Peace out.